Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Eyescream Beauty. I know it has been a minute since I've uploaded a video, getting ready for the holidays, blah, blah. And also, I wanted to let you guys know that I did suspend my boxes for December because I need more Christmas money. I pay for each one of these myself, so I need to suspend them for the month of January, skip a month so that I have more Christmas money to spend. So back to the box. Eyescream Beauty Box is a monthly beauty box that does focus mainly on makeup. You do get a tool or a skincare product every once in a while. Now they have two different options available. There's a bag for $12.50 where you get 3 to 4 items, including an eyeshadow palette. Now this box is $25 and you get 5 to 7 items, including an eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for November. When you open the box, this is what you're going to see. They include a card with the list of products inside along with the retail prices. Now, they do have some packing peanuts in here. These are biodegradable. So that is really, really nice because they won't take up any landfill. They will go ahead and disintegrate. And that's what it looks like. Ooh. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this giant egg-looking thing. This is by Joyce Bonelli Cosmetics. It is Come Through Flawless Makeup Set SPF 15. Okay, let me see what this is. This is a setting spray with SPF in it, and it retails for $25. Look how shiny it is. You can see everything. And let's go ahead and take that out. Ooh, that is pretty. Though, you will see all of your fingerprints after a while on that. If it was more of a brushed metal, then you wouldn't see any fingerprints, but it is very pretty. And we have a spray like that. Let's go ahead and spray. It's a fine mist. It doesn't like pelt you in the face or anything. It doesn't have a strong odor, which I like. Now, setting sprays are supposed to help make your makeup last longer, and oh, I think I put that on backwards. There we go. So yes, I like that. Oh, now I can see. The next thing is by Illuminati Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. Look how pretty that is. Now, this retails for $21. It is a nice lip gloss. Let's see how tinted it is. It's on this kind of an applicator. That's not a doe foot. It's similar, but it's not. It has indentations so that it holds more product when you get it out of the container. So we're just going to put that right there. It's very light peach color. It has a little bit of gold shimmer in it, which you can wear this alone or put it on top of other lipstick to customize your color. So that is really pretty. I need a tissue so that I can wipe that off so I don't get it everywhere. Okay. Now, the next thing is by, is it Beau? B-E-A-U, is that Beau Babe Beauty? I don't think it's Babe. I think it's Beau Babe, I think. And this is a beached blush. And this is by Beau Babe, right? Beau Babe Beauty. This retails for $25. Let's take a look at that. Very, very pretty. Oh, hello. And Oh, this is a beautiful color. Nice mirror. Look at that color. I love that color. There we go. Yeah, that's a pretty color. I really like that. The next thing I am pulling out is by Cheeky Rose Beauty. This is a blush brush, and this retails for $36. This kind of looks a lot like a kabuki brush. It's dense and really soft. You can use these for a lot of different products. You can use it for contour, blush, highlighter. You can use it for foundation. You can even use it for serums. So these brushes are great. I'm using a kabuki brush that I received in a different box. This one's by Paris Tools. Let me tell you, I absolutely love this brush for foundation. Love it. So I am going to love this one as well if it's anything like that one. Now I have one more thing in the box, and it is our palette. This is Lash Step Matte About You. And this retails for $45. Let's take a look. I do like using matte colors. It's hard to see, but it kind of has like a leather texture on it. Ooh, big mirror, big mirror. And here are the colors. These are right up my alley. Very nice. Let's see how it swatches. I'm gonna do this one right here. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. It's pigmented just enough. Let's see if it's buildable. So I'm going to go in a second time. It is buildable. Look at that. That's really pretty. Okay. So for $25, I have a palette, a blush brush, and a blush. It's kind of nice that they put a blush in with the blush brush. Very nice thinking. And we have a setting spray and a lip gloss. And these all kind of go together, I think, as far as colors go. So yeah, I got all of this for $25. The grand total today is $152. 25 bucks. I mean, you just really can't go wrong with beauty boxes. And that is what I have for you for November for Eyescream Beauty. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.